Hi everyone, welcome back to the Mentor. In this video, I will be showing you how easily you can make money online by doing simple work, which is resume or CV creating for different clients. So if you have experience in that, you know how to make a CV. This is very good for you because I will showing you how you can make money by providing CV to people. Yeah, designed for people. But if you don't know, but if you want to learn this, how you can learn it and how you can make money, so I will be showing this thing step by step. So let's get started. So first guys, what I want to show you is if you go to fiverr.com, okay, and search here CV template, right? So here you will see different freelancers who are providing this service. So if you see the first one, I will design modern resume, infographics, CV cover letter on Canva. Okay, so there are different people who have created the gig and they're providing this service for people. Okay, so what I want to do is guys, so I have select here one of the profile. Here you can see this lady. So if I just open this lady profile, here you can see she have provided a lot of CV, yeah, resume for different clients. Here you can see she got around 1300 reviews, and she has still 4 other inquiry. So ads mean guys, you can create a lot of money by creating your profile on Fiverr and start providing this service to people. Okay, so it's very simple. I know in the beginning it will take some time to understand the platform, like how this platform work, and there's another platform which is Upwork.com, and I also recommend you can also try here too. So here if you just search CV template, okay, and here if you see there's a different project which client have posted in there, and they need somebody who can design. Here you can see resume redesign and rewrite. Okay, so somebody they can rewrite the CV. Maybe they have some kind of upgrade, they want to do some upgrade in their CV. Okay, so you will be the one who will do this kind of job for them. And also if I just search here a resume, okay, now you can see there are different job regarding resumes. I hope you understand the difference between resume and CV. Okay, so now the important step is how you can learn this service if you don't have. Okay, so how you can learn that, it's very simple guys. So if I just click on this profile, okay, now here you can see this freelancer have offer create this CV for their client. So you can get idea from this design that how other freelancer are creating CV for other client. Okay, so this is the one design which this freelancer have created. Okay, now this is another design which this client which this freelancer have created for this client. Okay, and if I just click on next, so you can see this is another CV guys. So you can copy this CV, okay, and redesign it, okay, and learn the way like how they have created. So it's very simple. You can design that on Canva, you can design that in MS Word. It is up to you which one you like. You can use it. Even you can create the CV on Photoshop. Okay, so it's up to you which one you feel comfortable, you can use it. And if I just go here, okay, and if I just click on next, so you can see this is another CV which has been created by this freelancer 1 year ago. Okay, so this was the CV which this freelancer have created for a client. Okay, so you can see the CV how simple it is. It's very simple. So even if you don't know if you don't know how to design this kind of stuff, you can just let me know in the comment section. I will create another video on this how you can design it. But even you can search on YouTube. There are different videos already available, so you can get idea from that how they're designing. But it's very simple. There is nothing difficult here. So you can just see the CV how this CV has been designed, and you can get idea from it, and then you can regenerate it again. Okay, and if I just click on next, okay, so you can see this is another CV. So it's very simple guys. They are professional CV. You can read their CV and you can redesign it. Okay, and you can learn how they have created. And another interesting tool is guys, so I will provide you this link in the video description. Okay, so here from here you can download 50 free modern CV template, okay, in Word document, which mean you can edit it again, okay, in your computer. So you can see there are 50 CVs, okay, 52. So you can click any of them. You can, okay, so you can just download it. So for example, I want to click on this one down in 34. Okay, so I will just click on download button. Okay, after clicking on the download button, then you will need to wait a second. So this page will be open, then you will need to go down here. Okay, so just wait until this page has been completely loaded. Okay, now here you can see guys, this is the CV. Okay, So if I just go down here, you can see it's mentioned download in Word. Okay, so just click on it. Okay, just close the ads. Okay, now here you can see the CV downloading has been started. Okay, so when it's downloaded, they just open it and then you can play. Okay, you can just do changes on it. Okay, whatever change you want. So you can create multiple CVs, and then you can save it in a Google Drive, and then you can share, with other client, who need this service. So okay, so let me just click on open. Okay, so when you open it here, you will need to click on enable editing. Now here you can see this CV is with me now, so I can change the name here. Okay, so I can use my own name here. Okay, and I can change the title, whatever title you want to use here. You can change the picture. So to change the picture, I hope just click on insert, and here you can click on picture, and then you can change the picture. Okay, you can change the contact number, even you can change the color. Okay, so if you are not satisfied with this color, you can just click on the color and you can come to the home. Okay, and here you can change the color too. Okay, so it's very simple. You can change the font, whatever you like, guys, you can change it. So you will get from the link for free 50 CVs templates, so you can also use them to get some experience to create portfolio for yourself. So I hope this will help you. Okay, and also now you may be asking me how we can get, so for example, after learning this, the CV, so now how you will be providing this kind of service to people. So it's very simple. Okay, create gigs on Fiverr.com. Okay, so this is the one alternative you can use here. Just create gigs on Fiverr. You can research about it, how Fiverr work and how you can design a better gigs here, which can people serve, which people are looking for. So this is a different skill which you will need to learn about this platform. Okay, another thing is Upwork.com, guys. Okay, so you can come here to Upwork.com and you can create a profile here, and you can study about this, how it works. And even you can search some of the videos already available in my YouTube channel is a mentor. You can learn from there too. And also you can, guys, get a lot of client from Facebook. Okay, so if you go to the Facebook and you just search CV template, yeah, create a CV online, yeah, CV writing job, so there is a thousand of job guys, available on Facebook. So you can just read the job there, and you can connect with people, and you can provide the service to people. And there are high agents who are only creating CV for people. Okay, so you can connect with them, and you can share your portfolio, and you can tell them I have experience and I can create CV for you. And also what you can do is you can ask about from ChatGPT, like, I want to start my career as a CV writer, yeah, CV design, so what should I do, how can I start making money by providing this service. So it will give very good suggestion, and you can implement this suggestion and you can use it. But as far as in my understanding, you can use this platform which I show you, and you can earn a very good amount of money. But remember, guys, whenever you are starting making money online, so you are not gonna make from the first day. It will take some time. You will need to understand the platform, then you will know the skill, how I can implement the skill and how I can do better. Because nowadays, guys, you will need to learn a lot of things. You will not need only to depend on one skill. Okay, so with the one skill, you will need to learn a different thing. For example, if you want to provide the CV writing, so you will also need to how you can design resume template, how you can do this. So you will need to learn a different thing to if you want to survive in this world. Okay, so you will not need to only depend on one skill. Okay, so if you are providing the resume writing, you will need to learn a different thing, and you will need to see other people how they are doing, and how you can do better from them. Okay, so you have to and nowadays it's very simple. Just search on YouTube and learn about that, how you can design. And also guys, if you know about the Canva, okay, you can just search canva.com, and there are also hundred of free template available. You can design them, you can edit those template, and you can download it, and then you can save it with yourself, and you can upload it on Google Drive. Okay, and then you can share with client who need it. But also I will highly recommend you guys, whenever you are sharing your portfolio with somebody, so please use your watermark on it, so that nobody can steal your work from you. Okay, so I hope you know about this. You can use your brand color and maybe brand name, so that nobody can steal the CV from you, because you do hard work. If somebody stole it, so it's not a good. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, please let me know. I will try my best to help you and create another video for you. So thank you so much. See you later. Bye.